What's the meaning of aloo? Aloo. 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 Aloo.
Aloo is a Hindi word that means potato in English. Potatoes are a starchy root vegetable that are widely used in cooking around the world. They can be boiled, baked, fried, mashed, or roasted and are a common ingredient in many dishes such as French fries, potato chips, mashed potatoes, and potato salad. Potatoes are also a good source of carbohydrates, fiber, and vitamin C. In addition to being a versatile and nutritious food, potatoes are also used in a variety of non-food products like paper, textiles, and adhesives.